Stop. Keep on, I said it ain't gon' stop. It ain't gon' stop, it ain't gon' flop. Stop acting like we ain't so hot.
What's going on, people? This is Influence. Coming back with a review. It's the iSteady mobile 3-axle handheld gimbal for your smartphone. This is a budget gimbal. It's no frills. It's pretty good. Disclaimer, I could never get I'm just going to tell you right off the bat, I could never get the app to connect to the actual gimbal. Now, I've read in some reviews that some people had trouble, some people did not, depending on what phone. I'm using the Note 9, so I'm doing a review on this as kind of handicap review. I say that because I didn't really get a chance to really use this, but I just wanted to show this off and bring this to the people. And another disclaimer, I'm sending it back because I couldn't get the app to connect. And the features I want, like facial tracking and things of that nature, can't be done without connecting the app to this by Bluetooth. So this is Hohem's gimbal, and it comes with it's a hard case, if you can hear that, which is nice for something. A gimbal this cheap, it's a nice case. It's a hard case. Doesn't come with much. Comes with the books, of course. Little owner's manual, not too much to do. Comes with this to show you how to stabilize it, or how to center it. And you get the actual gimbal, and you get a tripod because it's threaded down there and it's threaded right here as well. And it also is threaded here. So I don't know, I think it's threaded. Yeah, right there. So I don't know what you can do with that information. I'm thinking you can put a threaded mic or something, or I know this can screw in, and then you have the stand. I guess you can use it like this if you needed to. I don't know, or you can have use it as an extra handle. It is kind of heavy. When I was using it, it does what with your phone in it. My phone is the Note 9, like I was saying. I was using this with the Note 9, but I couldn't get the app to connect. So you have this little cover here as a USB or mini USB to, or micro USB. I get those confused. Mini USB to charge, which is normally on an Android cell phone. And you can plug in your phone here with the regular USB and charge your phone from this. So battery life, I can't attest to. Oh, you also get a charging cable, but you can use any charging, if you got that type. It's not USB-C, so yeah, like I was saying, charging is what it is. I charged it last night. It has these little indicators on the side, those 4 buttons to let you know. Bluetooth, and has this mode button. Well, this mode light will flash depending on what mode you put it in. This is all pertaining to if you have the app. All these buttons, if the app is connected. So I can't really show that off either. I can show off how it looks. This is a old S8 Plus that I had laying around here. So you stick it in like that all the way to the end. Put the phone in first. You get it where you want it. If you want it horizontal, or you can have it like this. But whichever way you want it, you want to get it like oriented to start. Then you hold the power button. Now it's on. So as you can see how it's centering. The phone's actually dead. I should have charged it. But then you have the joystick. So you can use the joystick whichever way. And it's pretty smooth. It's pretty good. There's a little tiny bit of lag from when you push the button to when it goes, if you can see. See, I push it over and then and I chalk that up to probably just motor. I mean, for a gimbal this simple and this cheap, it probably doesn't have the greatest motor in it, so I can't attest to how long that will last or how long this will last. Like I said, it's a little heavy, so you may want to put that for extra support when you're using it. But it's definitely usable with one hand, especially if it's not like this, or you know, when if you're just filming stuff and you're trying to chase some kids or something, and you see you got the 3-axis gimbal. So, well, you can only 3-axis, so you can only go so far. But yeah, I mean, when I first got it, I thought it was great. It's a great little gadget for what it is and for how much it costs. If I could get the app connected, I really wish I could have. But like I said, there's been reports that some phones just don't connect to the app well. I don't know if that's Android. I don't know if it's... I did see some people had problems with some of their iPhones. I don't know which models. So I would say before you buy this, if you're looking at buying this, research and see if your phone is completely compatible. See if anybody's had trouble connecting to the app with your phone, because I did see some people say that they had problems connecting, but I still ordered it just in case. You know, I just wanted to try it out because I need a gimbal. So I actually ended up ordering, I'm gonna send this back, and I ended up ordering the Removal 4K camera and gimbal all at once. It's all one unit, so I'll be reviewing that soon. But yeah, this has been the iSteady Mobile by Hohem mobile gimbal, and there'll be a link in the description where you can pick it up if you're interested. Like I said, before I buy it, I would just do a lot of research on what phone is compatible and if people have been having trouble connecting to the app through their phone. All right, so I'll get up with you in the next one.
Hip hop, I feel, I gotta say, who am I, you might say, influence, and I spit better than most in this game.